In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a check mark in Excel. If you track tasks, mark approvals, or build dashboards, a clean check mark can make your sheet easier to read and more professional. We'll use Excel's built-in symbol tool, so there's nothing extra to install. Begin by making sure the cell where you want the check mark is selected. This lets Excel know exactly where to place the symbol. Now look to the ribbon at the top of Excel and go to the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Excel keeps tools for adding things to your sheet, like pictures, shapes, and, in our case, special characters. With Insert open, find the symbol command. Depending on your screen size, it's usually on the right side of the ribbon. Click Symbol to open the symbol dialog. This window shows a large grid of characters that aren't on your keyboard, and you can browse different fonts to see entirely different sets of symbols. In the symbol window, focus on the font drop-down at the top. Open that list and scroll until you find Wingdings. Wingdings is a special decorative font that maps letters to icons, and it includes the classic checkmark. Selecting Wingdings tells Excel to display the Wingdings character set in the grid below, which makes it easy to spot the symbol you need. After choosing Wingdings, look through the grid for the checkmark. You'll see a simple check, and often a heavier or boxed version as well. Click the check you prefer to highlight it. Then use the Insert button in the dialog to place it into your selected cell. You should see the check mark appear immediately in the worksheet. When you're done, click Close on the symbol window. A few quick tips to work faster from here. You can copy and paste the check mark to other cells, or drag the fill handle to repeat it down a list. Because it's a character, you can change its size and color just like normal text. For example, increase the font size to make it stand out, or turn it green to signal completion. If you ever see a small square or odd character instead of a check, select the cell and set the font to Wingdings, so Excel renders it correctly. To align your check marks neatly, use the alignment buttons on the Home tab to center them within the cells. That's it. You've inserted a check mark in Excel quickly and cleanly using the symbol tool and the Wingdings font.